Good day, Marketistas! We are entering to our first module, particularly our first topic, the Introduction to Quality Management. I have discussed to you during our orientation that this subject, BA 106, will be divided into three parts. First, the quality management, which includes the discussion of its principles, history, quality innovators, and quality tools. Second, the discussion of total quality management. And the third is all about the ISO 9000, which will cover the nature, eligibility, and application procedures. Today, as I introduce to you the principles of quality, here are the following objectives. First, to differentiate between quality and quantity. Second, to discuss the difference between quality of design, quality of conformance, and quality of performance. And lastly, to give examples for the concepts of effective and efficient. Let's first reflect on this quotation by Wilton Hersey. Give them quality, that's the best kind of advertising. Let's try to imagine that there is no application of quality management in marketing. What would happen? How if the seller doesn't know how to promote its product? How if the seller is not that persuasive or convincing? How if the product brand is irrelevant, or how if the commercial is discriminating? Can we guarantee that the products or services can be sold in the market? If people see that there is no quality on what they bought, complaints are expected. Poor sales. Competitors will gain its advantage. And the worst, we cannot guarantee that the set time of return of investment will be met. So to prevent this from happening, quality must be applied in all aspects of marketing management. What we know is that in understanding total quality management, we should only focus on quality itself. But we should also know how to quantify the quality that we are providing for us to understand whether the strategies we are using are effective or not. Therefore, we should differentiate quality and quantity. Quality is the degree of excellence of a thing, a distinctive attribute or faculty, its nature and characteristics. Quantity is the property of things that is measurable, its size, weight, amount, or number. It should be balanced in all sense because the number of production must have equivalent quality applications, which should be reliable and consistent. And the basic way to quantify the quality efforts is to have a systematic comparison of BGMO, or vision, mission, goals, and objectives to actual achievements of the organization. On the other hand, we should also answer what is quality in the aspect of total quality management. A simple answer is by delighting the customers by fully meeting their needs and expectations, which include performance, appearance, availability, delivery, reliability, maintainability, cost effectiveness, and price. Generally speaking, we are talking about the total satisfaction that sums up his pleasure about the product and service that can be served as proof of loyalty among customers. Let's have a simple exercise. Can you spot the quality in these diamonds? Do they have differences? Can we say that the differences of shapes constitute to its quality? How about these three rings which are identical in looks? Can we say that they all have quality? Let's see. In understanding quality, we should also consider how customers define it. Usually, customers say that a product has quality based on its appearance or design. If that's how they see it, then they are using feature-based measures. However, if they base their description to how a product was produced or the standards that they employed, then they are assessing quality based on performance measures. Therefore, in this example, customer can say that a typical diamond shape has more quality, even the other, which is an oval shape, have same carat, weight, and value. On the second, the three rings are identical in looks, but we cannot easily say which among has the most quality without checking its features such as the weight of carat and other specifics. Although They followed same procedures, but its element might be different. If the basis of quality is on its standards, content, and conformance, quality is being assessed using performance measures. In this sense, three aspects of quality is formulated for us to identify the criteria in properly assessing quality. The first one is the quality of design. It is influenced by several features. Second is the quality of conformance. It is when the product or service meets the standard requirements. And the third is the quality of performance. It is determined when the product or service meets customers' expectations. Quality of design can be best explained by this example. People avail 3-in-1 coffee because of its convenience, variation of flavors, availability, and affordability instead of buying coffee, sugar, and creamer separately. The design of the product has quality since it gives customers convenience in a very affordable amount. In service management, the use of online shopping like Lazada and Shopee provides quality of design since the features of online shopping sites are very convenient to use with lots of options that customer can explore. And with the current situation due to pandemic, online shopping is very convenient that make people realize as effective and in making themselves safe from harm outside. In summary, quality of design is based on its features like product type, cost, profit, policy, demand of the product, availability, materials, and product reliability. On the other hand, quality of conformance is based on standards whether a product or service has certifications or has passed quality control. At the same time, the influence of the product manufacturer adds sense to quality, knowing a specific manufacturer has its gained credibility in the market. Lastly, quality of performance is based on testimonials or reviews that proven the product or service to be effective. If this is tested to be reliable, then there is a quality on it. However, how if the product doesn't meet what it's supposed to give the consumer? Usually, companies attend to it by giving warranty or policies to make up to the unmet expectations. The principles of quality management are also governed by two important elements of management: the effectiveness and efficiency. In all management activities, especially in quality management, a product or service must possess effectiveness and efficiency to get the best result. Effectiveness is the result or consequence of an action, while efficiency is being productive with minimum waste or effort. These two play vital roles to ensure that processes and output are made of quality. In the concept of marketing, efficiency measures the success of your process. It typically focused on minimizing spend. And effectiveness measures the contributions your marketing strategies have made to the business, or in short, it should answer the question, are you getting revenue? And if so, how much? If these two are properly executed throughout the system of operation, we can guarantee the quality. To summarize the first chapter, quality is an element that must be applied in every product or service. Quality must be quantified to understand whether quality strategies are effective or not. Quality in other sense can be described according to design, conformance, and performance. And quality management must be practiced with effectiveness and efficiency to ensure quality results. This is the end of our first lecture. If you have questions and clarifications, do not hesitate to ask me or send me a direct message. Thank you for listening.